Hello my friend, thank you for watching. This is Kiki from China. We are manufacturer of electric motor. Now I'm in the workshop. I will go to show you what we are doing. Now on the production line is assembling the three-phase motor with aluminium body. So let's go to check it. Okay, now you can see here, this is the three-phase motor with aluminium body. The motor winding is 100% copper wire, and you can see here the motor body is aluminium body, and here the motor shaft with closed key, and here the shaft with the screw inside. This is the small thread B14, and here is B34 foot and small thread mounting. Okay, you can check here. We are making both three-phase and also single-phase with aluminium body and also casting iron body. And today we are working in the workshop assembling the three-phase motor and also single-phase motor with aluminium body. You can see here, this is the three-phase motor, and you can check how it looks for the terminal box. Is the aluminium, and you can check how we make connection for the wires. Okay. Okay, and here you also can check the three-phase motor and also single-phase motor with the aluminium body. And here the single-phase motor, you can check here. The terminal box is iron. This is the terminal box for the single-phase motor. You can check how we do it. This is the three-phase motor with aluminium body. 这个多大功率的？And this motor is 1.5 horsepower, 4 pole. Okay. You can check here. 1.1 kilowatt 4 pole, 1.5 horsepower 4 pole 3-phase motor with aluminium body for the three-phase motor here. You can check the motor, three-phase motor. The motor is specially for the gearbox. Okay. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. And now let's go to check for the single-phase motor how it looks. Okay, let's go to check here. Okay, now here you can see this is the single-phase motor with aluminium body, and the motor winding is 100% copper wire. You can see how it looks here. It's the 100% copper wire, and you can see here these two wires for connect the centrifugal switch. Okay. This is the single-phase motor with aluminium body. The motor winding is 100% copper wire. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. This is Kiki from China. We are making both three-phase and also single-phase motor. If you are interested, please just let me know by message or email. Okay. So now let's go to check my name card. Okay, let's go to check here. Okay, you can see here, this is our catalog and also my name card. You can see my name is Kiki Liu. You can just call me Kiki. We are titled Dongchun Motor Company Limited. We are in China. You can find here the cell phone number. You can add for WeChat or WhatsApp to send me a message. Okay. Also, welcome to send me email and visit our website for more information. You also can scan this QR code to save all information in your mobile at just a few seconds. Okay. Okay, all my friends, thank you for watching. Kiki from China. See you next time. Bye bye.